Hey everyone, it's Lisa and today is Saturday and I am going to show you some things that I got from Nordstrom. This video is in partnership with Nordstrom, but I chose everything and paid for everything myself. If you have been here with me for a while, you know that one of my favorite collections ever is the Estee Lauder Bronze Goddess collection. I have been getting something from that collection, I think ever since it started. And so this year I picked some things that I wanted. In the past I've gotten like the eyeliners and everything like that, and I've learned to just kind of pick exactly what I think I can wear. Another thing is Estee Lauder is running a special, like a gift with purchase. And so I got this Advanced Night Repair Recovery Power Foil Mask for all skin types. So you got that. And then you got the Advanced Night Repair and the Advanced Night Repair Eye Cream. This is good because I am running out of my nighttime eye cream. Usually at night I try to use one that has some stuff in it, like I'm sure this has retinols and everything like that, kind of to regenerate your skin. During the day I kind of am just focusing on moisture so that my concealer goes on well. And I'm thinking I might be too bright, so let me cut off one of my lights. So the first thing, and it is so beautiful, is the eye compact. Look how gorgeous that is with the stone and that right there. It just looks so pretty. I took pictures yesterday and it's just, I knew that in the picture I should probably open it and show you what's in it, but I couldn't help it. I wanted to show the top of it. So anyway, here is the compact, which would look beautiful on your dresser or your vanity. And then here is, it's really nice, has a really good mirror. And this is the compact. These are the shades, and I used them. Let me zoom you in. Okay, I wanted to do my version of a Bronze Goddess look, and I know, matter of fact, even this morning, I was thinking, did I want to do a get ready with me? And then I thought, you know, sometimes I'd rather almost use it and show you so that I can have time to form an opinion. I don't know. Some things I like to try with you, and some things I like to be able to tell you what I think. So today I started out with this shade right here, which the colors, I was telling Brooke when she was looking at it, she did a little bit on my eyes. I'll show you in a minute. And I was telling her how much darker they are when you put them on. They have really good pigment, and I'm so happy that even though this is a Bronze Goddess palette, that I have some taupe shades, because if I didn't, it just wouldn't be as wearable to me. And so this color and this color and this color and this color, oh my goodness, it makes the most beautiful eye. It's very similar to like the look of the Tom Ford Mink Mirage palette. It's just those good taupey browns that aren't too cool but aren't too warm, just perfect. And then I have always loved like this black green type shade, so I mixed some of that in with my liner. And right before I was about to do this video, I was showing this to Brooke and how pretty it is, and she was saying I would put some of this. Is it this one? Yeah. She said I would put some of this shade just right there. So she did it, and she did a little bit of that turquoise shade just with her finger. I hope that you can see it right along, like right before you get to that outer V or whatever. And it's just so pretty. So I think I used everything except the blue color, which I could easily use that blue. That blue would be so pretty just all over the lid, just blended out with this. So just a really wearable palette. I think probably one of the most wearable. Last year there was a good shade in there too, I remember. There was like one shade that I really liked, but this one I like many of them. I passed on the highlighter just because, don't hold me to it because I may end up getting it, but there is a highlighter in the collection that I didn't get, but I got this. It is a 3-tone bronzer. Let's see, do I still have, oh yeah, Matte and Glow Bronzing Trio. It is beautiful. I used, first thing I did, let me get my hair out of my face here. The first thing I did is I kind of did what you would think. I went in like a contour type area with this, Then I went in with this a little bit higher on my cheeks and like on my forehead and stuff. And then I used that almost like a highlight. I did the tops of my cheeks and I even did along my jawline. And that kind of gave me a feeling for what the colors look like. And then at the end, I took my brush and just swirled it around and kind of buffed it all over. And I just think it's so pretty and so wearable, and it gives you all those different tones, or you can mix it all together and get kind of a, I would say just a medium, but so pretty. I don't know if it's very swatchable, very buttery, and no, of course it's matte. So you can see how that one is just going to be your like an all over bronzer. This is a good highlight, and that is just a good deep bronzer. This definitely is a bronzer I think you would love. Last year and a lot of the years, the Bronze Goddess bronzers are a little, they're kind of like that reddy bronze, which I can see why some people like that, because that gives you like that sunburn look. But this is what I like, when you can do more of a contour look and then do a little bit of bronzy. So love this. I'm just really happy with both of these. You guys know how much I love the Bronze Goddess scent. I've been wearing this for years. It is like the ultimate. This and Bobbi Brown Beach, which is supposed to be on the way. I bought a new bottle of the Bobbi Brown Beach because fragrances, you know, they change if you've had them years and years and years. I figured I would compare this, which is the Bronze Goddess Skin Scent. So this is kind of like their lighter version. Let me back out since you've seen. Oh, and before I back out too much, this is the MAC Selena lip combo. It's just kind of, no, I didn't use any of the peach color. I used the liner and the more cool tone lipstick, and then I put a little bit of Bobbi Brown Citrus gloss on it, and so that is that lip. And then anyway, back to the fragrance. So you know I'm going to do like a whole fragrance review. I wanted to try more of the Bronze Goddess, and I ordered the Bronze Goddess Parfum, and of course it comes in this box. Let me see if it says anything special here. Bronze Goddess Eau de Parfum, and it comes in this beautiful bottle. And then I think the new Skin Scent, which is a lighter version, comes in a bottle that looks like this too. I'm pretty sure it looks exactly like it. So this morning I sprayed this on this arm. I'm gonna do it again. And then I sprayed this on this arm. And I'm going to tell you the difference. Of course, with one being a skin scent, one being a parfum, this one is going to last longer because it has a higher concentration of the actual scented oils and everything in it. But I will say, there is something just special about this one. This one is going to give you more of that just beach scent. It smells a little bit like copper tone. It just smells beachy and fresh and light, but I will say it does not last a long time. This one is going to give you a little bit more of a deeper scent, and so I looked those up so that I could tell you the difference, because if you're like me, I would want to know the difference. The Eau de Parfum is 105, which still isn't bad for a good, that's a 3.4 ounce. And it says, a sensuous sun-drenched fragrance that defines the endless summer. Let's see, the top notes are Italian bergamot, ginger extract, mandarin, the middle, Indian jasmine, creamy coconut, frangipani petals, and then the base is vanilla, cashmere wood, captive musk, and amber. So this is going to give you just that deeper, longer lasting scent. And then let's look at the Skin Scent, which is going to be a little bit lighter. And even this parfum is not, it has not, you know, made me gag or cough. It isn't one that I feel like I can't spray on multiple times. And the bottle is the same. So both of them look like this with the little turquoise right there. I love that. Okay, so this is the Fresh Skin Scent. And let's see if it has the same notes. I'm learning like you are. Let's see. It just says, it doesn't really split them up. It just says amber, coconut milk, sandalwood, vanilla, vetiver, juicy mandarin, Sicilian bergamot, lemon, pulpy orange, tiara flower, jasmine, magnolia petals, orange flower buds, and lavender. Oh my goodness. So you could do what I'm going to do and wear both of them. I will probably layer them because I love them both. And then let's see how much this one is. I know it's a little, it's 3.4 ounce and it's 84. So this would also be a great gift for you to get from your children or your husband, or a Mother's Day gift. And that bottle is so gorgeous. So love that, and it is definitely one of my all-time favorite scents. And then another thing that I ordered with my order is something that I have also used for years, and it is the Laura Mercier Eye Basics. I could not remember which color it was that I loved so much, especially in the summertime when I'm doing a lighter eye, and it is buff. So I ordered buff and wheat, and let me show them to you. They're so good to layer over, and they're good just right by themselves. So buff is definitely the darker of the two. And then wheat definitely would give you a good base to start too. But look how pretty buff is. It even has like that sheen to it. And I missed it. It was one of those things where, you know, I was probably going through my makeup and I thought, you know, I'm not wearing those much anymore, and I got rid of them and I missed them. So I replaced those, and then Nordstrom is having a big sale going on right now. Matter of fact, there were so many things that I loved that I wanted to buy and show you that I'm just going to link some things down below. I know there was a dress that reminded me of that real frilly one that Carrie was wearing when she met Big down by the water, and I believe they ended up falling in, a real pretty ruffle dress. And then they had these tank tops, which are my favorite. They're the cut-in tank top, and I just have on a simple strapless bra, and they're less than $10. And of course I got the black one like I always get, and then I got this, which is the light gray, and I always love gray too. I think that is it. So I hope you guys enjoyed my little show and tell here. And like I said, I will list some things below that I have seen. I know that there is a really pretty ring that I saw I liked. Oh, and sunglasses. There were several pairs of sunglasses that were on sale that were a good deal. There was a really cool pair of, there was Ray-Bans, and a really cool pair of, I think they were Oliver Peoples, but I put them in my cart, but it was an aviator that looked really cool. So I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. I hope that it is sunny where you are like it is here. Just sitting on the front porch this morning and like soaking in a little bit of that sunshine always makes me feel so much better. And let me know if you have any questions about the fragrances or anything. Make sure you go check out all those sales. I know they had some Zella on there. I'm trying to think of all the things I saw. But anyway, I'll put some more stuff down below, and I will see you real soon. Oh, and everything on my face will be listed down below too. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.